You search for how to print an email thread in Gmail, so let's do exactly that. I'm already in Gmail. I'll start by finding the conversation I want to print. Here in my inbox, I'll click this thread about a vendor invoice. Before I even open it, I double check I'm signed into the right account. Top right, I'll click my profile picture, and I can see the email address. The printed header is going to pull that exact address, so getting it wrong here means the document shows the wrong sender. Good. I'll pop back to the inbox and open the thread. Now the thread is open, but look, some of the replies are collapsed. If I hit print right now, those hidden messages won't show up in the printout. The fix is dead simple. Right above the top message, there's a link that says expand all. I click that. Every response unfolds and the full thread is visible. I always do this before printing because a missing reply can turn a complete record into a puzzle. Next, I need the dedicated print function. Top right corner near the reply arrow, there's a printer icon. It's labeled print all. I click it. A new tab opens with a clean preview of the whole thread. Gmail automatically strips out the sidebar, the inbox, and all the site navigation, so what you see here is a neat ink-friendly version of just your conversation. No ads, no clutter. Now the browser's print dialog pops up. On the left is a preview you can scroll through, and on the right are your settings. Most of the time, I don't want a paper copy. I click the destination dropdown and choose Save as PDF. That turns the thread into a searchable digital file I can attach right to a client's record or store in a shared drive. Below that, I always open More settings. The first thing I change here is the headers and footers checkbox. I uncheck it. Leaving it on adds the page URL, the date, and a page title at the top and bottom of every page. That's extra noise I don't need on an invoice backup or a compliance document. If I did need to prove when it was printed, I'd leave it checked. But for clean filing, I turn it off. While I'm in the preview on the left, I can see the total page count. This thread runs 3 pages, but maybe I only need the first 2. In the Pages section, I can select Custom and type 1-2. The preview updates and shows me exactly those pages. That's how you avoid printing a trailing footnote or an auto-added disclaimer that just wastes paper. When everything looks right, I hit Save. The PDF lands on my desktop. That's the whole task, and the file is ready to go. 2 faster paths you should know about. If you don't need the entire thread and only want a single message inside it, skip the Print All button. Instead, find the 3-dot menu on that specific message's header, click it, and choose Print. The preview loads just that one reply, saves pages, and keeps the record pinpoint sharp. And there's a keyboard shortcut, but it only works if you've turned on shortcuts in Gmail settings. With the thread open, tap the letter P on your keyboard. The print preview fires up instantly. No mouse, no menu. I use that half the time when I'm flying through tickets. If this walkthrough got you a clean printout or a clean PDF, hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.